Welcome to my video. So now we're going to talk about vacuuming, the process of getting ready to vacuum. I've heard from different opinions from manufacturers. When you vacuum, you need to vacuum multiple times in one spot. So it's up to you how much time you have. We live in a busy world and we don't have a lot of time. So you may not have the time to put into a lot of vacuuming, or maybe vacuuming isn't your favorite thing to do. I can totally understand that. But we're going to try and give you the basics and let you decide how you want to do it. Now, when you're getting ready to vacuum, make sure that you put in some earplugs. If you're sensitive to the noise, over a long period of time, if you're doing a lot of vacuuming, it will help in protecting your ears. Also, remember that when you're finished vacuuming, or if you stop vacuuming, that you make sure you've turned off your vacuum so that it doesn't ruin the motor by turning it on and off with the plug-in, but make sure the switch is turned off first. Also, if you're leaving the vacuum and it's running, make sure you turn it off, because the constant motions in the same position has caused burn marks in the carpet. And you don't want that in your carpet unless you like to see burn marks in your carpet. Maybe that's what you like, I don't know. But in the case you don't, turn it off so you don't have the burn marks. Now, when in a vacuum, depending upon the type of vacuum you have, sometimes you have the feature of having a little swivel that releases your vacuum cord. So you don't have to unwind the whole thing. It releases the vacuum cord. You take it right off, and then you plug the vacuum in. Depending upon the type of area that you're cleaning, you may want to do it in different ways. First of all, let me just show you a couple of different ways you can do it. First of all, if you have a long room that you're trying to vacuum, or a hallway, whatever, you can just simply vacuum your way down the hall or down the room to the other end. Turn your vacuum around and going back the other direction. As you plugged in and started vacuuming on the same side, that way you do not have to fight your cord. Now, for some of you, you like the method of going back and forth as you vacuum. And that's quite alright also. Matter of fact, if you do it that way, I don't think you would have to go to the gym. You got your exercise in. So, you decide which way you like to vacuum. When you have completed your vacuuming in your room, depending upon, and sometimes even going the opposite direction. Well, also, as you're vacuuming, this lifts up the pile of your carpet. Adjustment bar that tells the pile of your carpet. And you want to adjust that according to the pile of carpet that you have. If it's a thicker pile of carpet, then you would then raise up the vacuum so it isn't so hard on your motor. When you come and unplug your vacuum over here, make sure that you unplug with the plug, not with the cord. If you yank it out with the cord, it then starts to separate the wires in your cord. Just put it away neatly, and your cord will last longer. It won't have the point where it just keeps bogging up on you as you're trying to hold it. but it keeps it nice and straight. Your vacuum is ready to go for the next time that you're ready to vacuum. And I hope that you enjoyed this demonstration on vacuums. Please subscribe if you like it, and make any comments if you feel that there's some things that I have not shared on a video that you'd like to see. Comment, and be glad to take a look at those and do that in further videos. Thank you for watching.